After the scarab attached to Jaime Reyes and turned him into Blue Beetle, Jaime finds difficulties to adjust with his new powers. He accidentally destroyed an orphanage, made several kids homeless. So to prove he is not a bad guy, he is looking for crimes and bad people so he can beat them in public, so everyone knows he is a good guy. But while searching, the scarab locates a glowing object in an apartment. But before he could check that out, Jaime is visited by Green Lantern Kyle Rayner, Red Lantern Blaze, and Orange Lantern Glomulus. As Kyle asks Jaime why is he peeping in his apartment, and seeing the lanterns, the scarab immediately reacts and goes into attack mode as it identifies the lanterns as its enemies. As the scarab often sees the lanterns as a threat to its goal of taking over a planet, Jaime can't understand what is going on. He tries to stop his suit, but denying the permission, the scarab fires a Gyroblast directly on Blaze and freezes her. But luckily, Glomulus sees that and helps her to break free. Now Blaze is mad. Kyle gets surprised. He asks Jaime why is he attacking them, but Jaime responds it's not him, it's his suit. The crowd gets panicked. They run with their lives, but ignoring that, Blaze charges at Jaime to make him pay. But before the fight causes more problem, Kyle immediately stops her. He wants to talk with the kid instead of fighting, but right at the time, Kyle gets hit. A bounty hunter who is waiting for Kyle to return home and then kill him. The blast drained all of his powers, and before he hit the ground, Jaime saves him, but the attack creates a misunderstanding between the lanterns and the beetle. Blaze jumps on Jaime, tackles him into the ground, and she goes on top of him. Jaime tries to convince her that wasn't him. Something hit the Green Lantern, but the scarab keeps repeating metabolic arousal. Jaime gets embarrassed. He tells his suit he is not aroused, but then Blaze feels something, and she immediately jumps off the beetle. Jaime gets panicked. He tries to explain it's his suit, part of his armor, sometime morphs. But in the middle of this, the Orange Lantern is killed by the bounty hunter, and the killer reveals himself. He grabs Kyle and proceeds to break his neck, but Blaze jumps on him, and this gives Jaime to escape the place, and he rushes to grab the lantern in Kyle's apartment. But in the end, Blaze is taken out, and as the killer is about to end her life, Beetle helps Kyle to recharge his ring, and together they are able to capture the killer. Kyle thanks Jaime for saving his life, but Blaze will not forget what Jaime did to her. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.